Alright, sweetheart.
Should I climb? Is it a good idea to be climbing up here? I'm on a Titanic.
Really? Like a really big ship?
Yeah. It's moving. I'm getting stuck. Ah.
Can you smell it at all?
Oops. Not really.
Really? Because I can. But they say don't put it right into your nose. Like, that's why they tell you to put it on your body. I wish they had one you could put, like, on your nose, right?
Yeah.
I think I used to put it on the side of your head, too, didn't I? On your neck? Like, let's see, you want to see if that helps? I don't want to get it in your head, baby. Can you lift your head? Okay. My turn. Anything?
I can kind of smell it. Yeah, I can smell it right there.
Better. It sucks when you can't breathe like that. I know. Sorry. Just try to get some sleep, Kaylee. I'm telling you, it helps. You really should empty your bladder before I was gonna say before school, before bed. I'm gonna brush my teeth, okay?
Okay.
Do you want me to sit with you?
No. Keep going. I'm filming.
Please let me know if you need anything, okay? I'm here to help you. Alright?
Okay.
I'm not gonna